Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made these tater tot mozzarella sticks. Very easy to do, and all you need is some tater tots and some mozzarella sticks, mozzarella cheese strained or whatever. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. What we got here first is 3 large eggs, and what you want to do is dump in a half a cup of buttermilk into the pan. Your whisk, and you just want to whisk these all together real good. The good smooth like that. That should be about good enough. Next thing you do, you want a little bit of flour into a pan right here. Next thing you want to do, you're going to dump a whole bunch of tater tots into this. The next thing you want to do, and this is what I find that smashes it the best, is to take a back of a measuring cup and just smash it down. Okay, what you want to do is you want to roll this into the flour real quick, like put this into the egg wash like that, into the flour again, one more time into the egg wash, and then we're going to put it into the tater tots. It's a tater tot batter, and you want to get it real thick as you can, and that right there will probably be good. We're going to fill this whole tray up here out and stuff, our flour and tater tot. Anyways, we're going to put this in the freezer. We're going to come back afterwards, and meanwhile we're going to get a pot full of oil ready for it to fry. The cheesy tots are ready to fry, so I'm going to put these into the batter. Let me place them in here. Place 2 of them at a time, so not to pull down the heat too much. Okay, I'm going to do 2 at a time. And I will come back when we got it all better. Now look at these tater tot mozzarella sticks. Oh my god, look at all the cheese all around that. Take a bite of this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, that is amazing up there. Look at all that cheese coming out of that. Anyways, make these at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will bring you more updated videos. And y'all